Camp RZR brings the whole riding community together, and that's something that you can't compare at any other weekend.
Being able to go out with my buddies, go have a good time, go to a destination, and just hanging out by the campfire after a long day of riding is always amazing. But I also like coming here and just seeing so many people. Walking around Camp RZR, checking out all the vendors. It just lets you know that the off-road and the side-by-side industry is growing in leaps and bounds every single year. I mean, we literally have a Ferris wheel behind us.
You see this big blue glow, and that's the Ferris wheel. That's something that's never been done out here, and it's pretty awesome to see.
My RZR before audio was great, but my RZR after Rockford created these awesome kits has always been next level.
Back in the day, in 2008, I had another RZR, and audio wasn't really a big thing, but these cars coming with the Rockford system, it changes the game. And they not only sound good, but they hold up, and we don't have to ever worry about them breaking down.
We've got 2022 Pro R. We've got to spend all year testing our new suspension for this vehicle. And of course, a Rockford Fosgate system. You can't do without music, and it brings the vibe alive everywhere we go.
When you're out cruising in the dunes, Rockford puts a smile on your face, and you know that you're actually living life.